Coming at you with workout number 1. This is going to feel like a conditioning based workout, but it's also going to be the strength test. Now, we opted this year not to have a 1 rep max lift, but we wanted to integrate some sort of strength piece into the workout. So it should be a given that the strongest team wins here. However, you have to earn your ability to be able to move that barbell because there's a little buy-in before you get to that barbell. So here's what it's gonna look like. Both athletes are gonna start on the start mat. At 3, 2, 1, go, there's gonna be a 2-minute window. Those athletes will run to a pair of wall balls. They will then perform 20 synchronized wall balls with the same weight to the same target height. If you can do them unbroken, great, but it's not mandatory, but you do 20. Then you immediately turn and proceed to a loaded barbell. And it's only 1 barbell per team, so you guys need to be able to lift the same weight. Within the remaining time of that 2 minutes, you and your partner, splitting it up however you'd like, do as many power cleans as possible. So you can split it up 5 and 5 or 1, 1, 1, 1, or if one of you is stronger, then that someone can do 10 in a row, the other person can do 3, whatever you want. Max rep power cleans until that 2 minutes is up. At the end of the 2 minutes, you will then have a 1-minute rest break. In that rest break, we're gonna move our wall balls out of the way, pull out a bench, put your barbell on the rack, and now it's staged for the second part. Your 1-minute rest has expired. Now you'll be at a pair of dumbbells. At the 3, 2, 1, go, we enter another 2-minute window. At the start of that, both athletes are gonna do 20 synchronized dumbbell snatches. It doesn't have to be the same arm for both athletes, but rather both athletes' arm just has to be up at the same time. Once they've completed 20, they'll sit those down and they will make their way over to their bench press, of which they will have the remaining time of that 2-minute window to do as many reps on the bench press as possible. The arms must be locked out before it goes back onto the rack for it to count. If your partner had to spot you, if they touched it on the way up at all, that does not count as a rep, and switch as needed on that. So if someone's way stronger on the bench and they want to bust out more reps, that's up to you guys. Consider all of what we just discussed the first round or first half. Now we're going to take a 2-minute rest break. We're going to add some weight to that bar, so every division's weight is going to go up a decent amount. Then we're going to repeat the exact same thing. 2 minutes of 20 wall balls, AMRAP power cleans, but at a heavier weight, 1-minute rest break, and then another 2 minutes of 20 synchronized dumbbell snatches, and then AMRAP bench press at a heavier weight. Time. Your score is going to be all of your reps of power clean, bench press, added up as one total score, and that is going to be event 1 for the Rampage members competition. For all workout details as far as weights across division for barbells, wall balls, and dumbbells, check out the details in the Wodify Arena website and then also in the email that we'll send out.